Good morning, students. We have completed our chapter solution in the last video lecture. So our next unit is electrochemistry. This is our first lecture all about the electrochemistry. In electrochemistry, as the name suggests, electrochemistry means electrical energy and chemical energy. They are used. So in the definition of electrochemistry, it is defined as the branch of chemistry which deals with relationship between electrical energy and chemical energy. Relation in between the electrical energy and chemical energy changes taking place in the redox reactions. You have studied in plus one class about the redox reactions. Redox reactions are those reactions in which oxidation and reductions taking place simultaneously. Oxidation means simply the loss of electron and reduction means gain of electron. So the changes that are take place in the redox reactions in which electrical energy and chemical energy are used, or we can say that how chemical energy produced in a redox reaction can be converted into electrical energy, means chemicals energy produced due to the chemicals, how it can be converted into electrical energy. And when electrical energy is applied on the chemicals to produce chemical energy which is non-spontaneous, all these are studied under the name electrochemistry. The arrangement used to bring about these conversions, इन conversions को किस तरह से कराया जाए, या these arrangements are called as the electrochemical cell. We study important point, electrochemical cell. There are the two types of the cells we will study in this unit, electrochemical cell and electrolytic cell. So next point is importance of electrochemistry in our daily life and in other areas. Electrochemistry plays an important role. First point is batteries. Batteries in our different instruments and the cells used in various instruments and other devices convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Battery, different types of the batteries and cells are present in our homes and in industrial areas. So this phenomena is based on the electrochemical cell. Second importance is a number of the metals such as sodium, magnesium, calcium, aluminium, and a number of chemicals such as metals and chemicals. These are commercially produced on a large scale by the electrochemical method. This is the second importance of electrochemistry. Next point is important, the sensory signal sent to brain. Sensory signal means जो सिग्नल कहाँ से ब्रेन से ब्रेन को भेजे जाते हैं थ्रू द सेल्स एंड वाइस वर्सा, मीन्स सिग्नल सेंट टू द ब्रेन फ्रॉम आवर डिफरेंट organs and message from the brain to the organ. These are also communication among by different cells. This is also based on the different types of the cells, and these cells are based on the electrochemical phenomena. These are the importance of electrochemistry which are used in our daily life or in the household wares. Next is there are two types of the electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells are of two types. These are electrochemical cell and electrolytic cells. So electrochemical cells are of two types. They may be electrochemical or electrolytic cell. So here first we discuss about the electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell is also galvanic cell. Galvanic cell, it is a device used to convert chemical energy. Electrochemical cell means chemical energy produced in the redox reaction is converted into electrical energy. It means in this type of reaction chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, and this reaction is known as the galvanic cell. Let us discuss, this is also known as the voltaic cell. Let us take an example in which zinc, two electrodes are taken, zinc electrode and copper electrode. Zinc undergo oxidation, copper undergo zinc undergo oxidation, copper undergo reduction. Let's take a look of the electrochemical cell, which is galvanic cell. We take two beakers, and two beakers have two types of solutions, and two rod, these are called as the electrode, are introduced into this solution. So first is zinc rod, second is copper rod. Zinc rod is put in zinc sulfate solution, copper rod in their respective solution, copper sulfate solution. Zinc undergo oxidation, so it loses its electron and Zn plus 2 ions occur in the solution. So here is the electron rich electrode, so it is negatively charged and it is known as anode. Anode, and electron flows from through the wire. Voltmeter or ammeter is applied which show deflection. Current flow opposite in the direction of flow of the current. At this electrode, copper electrode, which is deficient in electron, it needs the electron. So electron given by the zinc rod are accepted by the copper ion. Copper ion undergo reduction, accept electron, convert into copper. So deposition of the copper occur at the cathode or copper rod. So there should be an electrical imbalance. Electrical imbalance occurs in the two solutions because here loss of electron and here is gain of electron. To balance this neutrality, we use a U-shaped glass tube. This is called as the salt bridge. Salt bridge help in the maintenance of electrical neutrality of the solution by transferring the ions. Electrons are transferred from one solution or one beaker to the another beaker through the wire in the external circuit, while the ions move from one solution to the second through the salt bridge, which help in the maintenance of the electrical neutrality of electrochemical cell. We have a trick to remember this. On the left side beaker, this is called as the anode. We use LOAN, lone term. Lone means, L means left, O means oxidation, A means anode, N मतलब negative. It means लेफ्ट साइड में जो हमारा बेकर है उसमें क्या हुआ, ऑक्सीडेशन. इट एक्ट एज ए एनोड एंड देयर इज ए नेगेटिव चार्ज. Here in the right side RRCP, right beaker reduction, act as a cathode and acquires a positive charge. Positive charge, cathode reduction, right side, left side oxidation, anode and negative. So there are the two half cells, one in the anode and one in the cathode. In one is oxidation and in other reduction occurs. So this cell can be divided into two half cells, oxidation half cell and this is our reduction half cell. Oxidation, in which oxidation occur, reduction in which reduction occur. There is loss of electron, zinc undergo oxidation. So this type is known as the oxidation half type of reaction. And copper accept electron, so there is reduction of the cell, so it is called as reduction of cells. When we combine both reaction, this is overall reaction. Zinc plus copper ion gives us Zn plus 2 plus copper. Zinc rod is placed in zinc sulfate solution, copper rod is copper sulfate solution. The two rods are connected by wire and the solutions are connected by the salt bridge. This is the construction of electrochemical cell. Okay students, next is function of salt bridge. What are the main functions of salt bridge used in the electrochemical cell? So first point is salt bridge. क्या है? Salt bridge is a U-shaped glass tube containing concentrated solution of inert electrolyte. What do you mean by inert electrolyte? The electrolyte which are not taking part in the chemical reaction. Inert means which do not react. Like inert electrolyte may be KCl, potassium nitrate, potassium sulfate, potassium chloride, potassium nitrate, potassium sulfate. They can be used as a inert electrolyte. The main function of salt bridge is to complete the electrical circuit, means electron flow in the external circuit and ions flow in the internal circuit through the salt bridge. So complete the electrical circuit by allowing the ions to flow from one solution to the other solution without mixing of the two solutions. Main point is solutions are not mixed with one another. And main point, another function is to maintain the electrical neutrality of the solution in the two half cells. How it helps to maintain the electrical neutrality? Because when electron moves from the zinc electrode in the external circuit toward the copper electrode, so there is deficiency of electron occur, and in the copper there is reduction, gain of the electron occur continuously, there is enrichment of the electron. So this imbalance of the electron is maintained by the salt bridge, help in the electrical, maintain the electrical neutrality of the two half cells. Electron in the electrochemical cell, we have seen electrochemical cells, electrons flow from negative pole to positive pole. What do you mean by negative pole? Means this is zinc pole, zinc electrode, to the positive pole means copper in the external circuit, and current will flow in the opposite direction. We have seen in the diagram. The weight of the copper rod increases. Why is the weight of copper rod increases? Because here reduction occurs, so deposition of the copper occur on the copper electrode, while zinc rod under decrease the weight as the cell works. So continuously this process occurs until the external potential and internal potential becomes equal. In case of Daniell cell has an electrical potential, experimentally it is found that in the Daniell cell the cell potential is 1.1 volt when concentration of zinc ion and copper ions are taken as unit. Okay students, this is all about the electrochemical cell, in which redox reaction takes place between two electrode, zinc electrode and copper electrodes. Thank you students. We will continue our unit in the next video lectures. Thank you.